I got a feeling that this could be a little more than feelings. If I'm being honest, honestly, you got me where you want it. You got me playing every card, spending all my time trying to find out more about you. 'Cause I really want you in my space, picking up every chord, I'm falling, all my money's on you. I never knew I needed love, needed love, needed love. I always thought I'd be enough, be enough, be enough.
One more note, one more breath, one more go is all I get this time around. One more night to sing a song, see the light, dance along an empty floor I've come to know quite well. I've been lost underneath its spell, just for now, bid to you farewell. Dig my heels in, do my best, try to forget all the rest. Remember my good intentions. Caught up in the whirlwind of, forgot about my faith in love to make the whole thing disappear. I've been lost, the fog's begun to clear. Just for now, I'll patiently wait here. If every note is my last, light a fire, strike a match. Tomorrow comes, my voice is lost. At least I'll have had one more song. One more note, one more breath, one more go is all I get this time around. This time around. This time. This time around.
The afterglow of this daily war. I need so much more than just holy water. The wind is roaring my heavy song. It's been way too long since I almost caught her. Baby, let me lay here a while until the day moves over. I'm hanging on, yes, I'm staying home. I need so much ground just to keep from floating. My love is wrong.
I was out there alone, moving from station to station. I've been searching for the right one, but I was ready for something more. My perfect love, you were out there going solo. You've been running with the wild ones, and you were ready for something more. Something more. Something more. Something more.
In the middle of this ghost town, is this the end where everything goes down? Are we gonna push through to find out? Working through all these issues, hell of a year, all the things we've been through. Are we gonna stick around to fight now? We know we've seen this all before, just head for brighter shores. Here right now, we could be something so much more than wasted times. Here right now, oh, like jet planes floating through night skies, we are alive. You and I, when daylight comes in a rush, don't forget about us. We're alive, alive. Here we go on another weekend, waking up to these dead end feelings. Haven't seen you up in so long. Bloodshot eyes are sinking, and all I see is our minds thinking. Talking loud, but we don't hear a sound. We could be something so much more than wasted times. Here right now, oh, it's like jet planes floating through night skies. We are alive, you and I. When daylight comes in a rush, don't forget about us. We're alive, like champagne over the skyline. We are alive, you and I. When daylight comes in a rush, don't forget about us. We're alive, alive. Go on another weekend, waking up to dead end feeling. Haven't seen you up in so long.
If I simply want to trace you, to feel your color on my hand, and if I simply can't erase you from all my simple future plans, and if I always want to call you, hear the softness in your voice, well, I just simply want to love you, and simply feel I lack a choice. I know that you feel this, and you simply are the same. It doesn't have to be complicated. It's as simple as me and you. Love's a symphony already orchestrated. We can sing along when we say I do. If we simply start a family and scrape the barrel to get by, that will simply be enough for me to find meaning in this life. We know that forever is just not long enough. It doesn't have to be complicated. It's as simple as me and you. Love's a symphony already orchestrated. We can sing along when we say I do. When we say I do. It doesn't have to be complicated. It's as simple as me and you. Love's a symphony already orchestrated. We can sing along when we say I do. When we say I do.
I came to tell you tonight that I shut down, I let your flowers die, I let them die, Oh, the colors you showed me were sparkling white, they were white. But me, I saw the cobwebs, the fault in your eyes, yet it was my And now I agree your sympathy should be as shallow as my words. And I can see how your red blood beats more than I